That log split that time.
Oh my God, it rolled all the way in half. Look at that.
Holy shit. Where'd the other piece go?
Yeah. That's a 6-foot log. Completely split it.